Good morning, guys. We'll get started in a few minutes. I've just sent out the link now, so yeah, we'll get started in a few minutes. I'll go through Twitter and then Discord. Rightio, let's see. Lots of movers again this morning, which is good to see, but yeah, meme stocks are slowly pushing up again. Let me have a look and see SLNA. Guys, if you ask me for the same chart, I'm literally just gonna like the comment. That's all I'll do. It just saves me a lot of time. Don't need updates every 2 seconds. You know? SLNA is extremely bearish right now. Nothing. Yo. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Right, let me go through some Twitter posts here. FFIE. Your levels are here. FFIE is right here. Nothing on FFIE. It's right in demand zone. So that's the only thing you should be looking for is buys. Buys were all in this demand zone here. Very simple, easy trade. Easy, simple trade. Also, guys, make sure people have been asking me about what's a short squeeze, so I just did a post on it, so you guys can go and have a look at that as well. That way you guys will be able to understand and see. Good morning, guys. Good morning. AGBA is up 6% today, which is good. It's trying to reverse off this demand zone. 4-hour demand zone, it's a very strong area of demand, which means there's a higher probability it'll go up. It does look very good. Good buys here. Stop loss is literally all the way under 265. But yeah, I expect it hopefully to continue to go up. I expect it to continue to go up at the way the technicals are setting up. APVO. I'll have a look at game, AMC, all of that. Those BS plays. The meme runners. The bag holders. Apes. So apparently, I don't know, but apparently that guy Roaring Kitty, whatever his name is, it's not him. He sold his account apparently. So he was apparently talking about AMC in game, and everyone thought it was going to run, and that's why they started running. But apparently his account is no longer in use. It's not him. It's some other guy. So that's why they got dumped. Falling wedge on APVO. That is from my knowledge, what I've heard. Good morning. NVAX. Guys, the simplest way I would trade this week, and it's a very easy way to trade, is simply just play the runners. There are so many runners. Do not try and play and find stocks that are not running, because that is where you'll be waiting 20 years, and it's definitely not worth that time. So the best thing to do is focus on the current movers, because your goal is to make money. I'm assuming most of you guys want to make money right now in day trade. So if you want that to happen, the best thing to do is focus on the plays that are running right now. That's how I would do it. Or maybe find plays that are have a high short float or have the same sector as whatever's running. So that's the easiest way to do it. Don't try and find some hidden gem that hasn't been touched because whatever reasoning. There's a possible bull flag on NVAX. Think game dead. I don't know any. So guys, game and AMC are literally, you can see it was clearly a pump and dump, right? That is why they ran. It was down 18% yesterday, and now it's down 9% again today. Based off technicals, it's reversing off this demand zone. Look, here's demand zone, last red candle for the push up. It's now in demand zone. Maybe this is good buy areas. How high will it go? I have no idea, right? It has room to $41, and then you have room to $60, and then all the way up to $70. Do not try and hold for $100, $400 because you might be living on the streets in the next couple days. So be realistic. Trade the way you should be, not optimistically. Obviously, be realistic when you're trading. So that means look for maybe 5. You can even look maybe 10%. That's what I would look for, but nothing more than that. You're going to be trying to hold for 100% moves. Yeah, you're going to be difficult time trading for you guys. But game is literally in demand zone. This is an area where buyers step in and they push the price up. That is why you can see game right now pushing up. GWAV. Yeah, so this has been running. Look, 34% yesterday, up 58% today. It was up a lot more. Obviously, it's just coming down and down and down. Nothing at the moment on this, to be honest. I would say maybe it's in this demand zone and it is in a downtrend. But for me, nothing on this at the moment. I would just simply mark the high. Maybe if it breaks that high, you could be interested in it. But yeah, right now, difficult. If you try and take the trade, stop loss would be underneath the demand zone. What's up with LSDI? I know you said, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just see the guys from Twitter, the guys who have the followers, they're just pumping 1.6 or whatever. They're just putting random numbers up on Twitter. They're not even telling you anything about a chart, nothing. So it's pretty much just, I don't know what that means, whatever a number means. So yeah, that's what happens. And there goes ASTS. Members in the Discord, you guys are rich. Rich, rich, rich. Rich, rich, rich. How many of you guys from YouTube, Discord members, how many of you took that trade? If you did, well done. If you didn't, I'm going to kick you from the Discord. You should have been in that trade. Should have been in. I literally mentioned it twice. I said, get in. I said, get in, get in, get in. Right. LSDI, yeah. I don't know. I just saw some guys with followers basically talking about LSDI, that's all. Saying they said it first and then they posting random numbers and stuff. Kraken. Kraken is right here. Release the Kraken. Everybody's banging on about Kraken and FFIE. People are spamming those about 100 times today. They were supposed to delist and they didn't. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Dylan. Yeah, right now Kraken is bearish. It broke below this bullish pennant setup. So yeah, right now nothing unless it reclaims, I would say VWAP or downtrend. When did he sell it? I don't know. I don't know anything about it. I just heard that it's not actually him on his accounts. He sold it and someone else is using it. That's what I heard. I don't know anything further than that, unfortunately. Guy who bought his account must have been a huge bag holder. I mean, yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I was in that era. I mean, that's not the seems like it's a long time, but I was there when he was trading and I didn't know who he was. I've never heard of him before. BRSH is breaking out very nicely here. Here's your key levels. BRSH looks very good. This looks very good. Nice breakout on this BRSH. Well done. I'll go through your post now, guys. Give me a sec. Give me a second. Okay, let me see what's going on here. Kraken, what's up, LSDI? Little guy with BRSH, SNDL. So SNDL is simply just going to follow the meme stock. So look here, you can take a screenshot, save it, whatever you need to do. All you need to do is make it very simple for yourself. Screenshot this, take a photo, and then these are the plays that run with the memes. Game and AMC lead the way. These will follow. So right now, AMC and Game are moving up a little bit. Therefore, SNDL will be moving up. As you can see, it's starting to move up. If I was trying to look for a buy on SNDL, you obviously have to watch Game at the same time. But all I would do is wait for 269 break. Then you have clean range all the way up to this wick fill at 293. So wait for break above 269. Let me see. Living on the streets. No, I'm serious, bro. People, I don't know. People always try and make it hard for themselves. I try to find and try and look for trades that haven't moved in like 20 years. It's a waste of time. Just look at the top gainers. They give you volume. Then just learn technicals from there. Once you understand technicals, you can trade. Day trade. It's really that's how simple it is. But obviously the difficult part is finding a strategy that works for you, or just understanding how the market actually works with these plays. Akin, I would say wait for this break above. So Akin, wait for 0.1180 break. Wait break. Oh yeah, Robert, I'm busy. I just set up that super chat thing or whatever it is, but it says it's pending right now. I literally just had to fill out some information. So whenever that's available, I don't know, maybe you guys will have a section for it or something. AMC Adam diluted his why the rally stopped. Oh really? I haven't been trading any of the meme stocks, so I'm not into it, but I just post it because it gets good interactions and people love it on Twitter, so that's kind of why I posted, to be honest with you. Kraken, I just went over, living on the streets. They were supposed to delist, yeah, list here. No one likes it. Yeah, bro, appreciate it, man. We just try and make it easy and simple, but I know there's a lot of people like now copying like what we do, but I'm happy they're doing it. As long as they learn, that's fine. But I don't mind if people do what we're doing, similar charting and whatever, but if they copy my stuff, that's what I don't like. Bang. Yes, Diego, bro. What's your name in the Discord? What up? Tagline, let's go. Diego, I'm about to join. Yes, let's go. Let's go. What stocks you bought today? Nothing, bro. I haven't traded anything. I gave this ASTS to members, but I was busy setting up the stream, so I didn't do it. I didn't get in, but yeah, I mentioned it. I mean, I even gave it on Twitter, I think. Yeah, I said I expect a reversal here, which was here. It was like here, 315 to here. It was like, I mean, it's not up 5% yet, but it's still breaking downtrend. It's good. So the reason why I like this trade, right, was very simple. So the reason why I mentioned to members that they can get in and I expect a reversal, look, here was an area of support, right? 1 touch, 2 touch is an area of support, meaning that the stock is should hold this level, right? It ran up, did its thing, came back, wicked off this, showing a lot of buying pressure. Buyers held this play up. Therefore, once that got that strong wick, then I saw buyers stepping in with the green candles. Then once that candle closed, I mentioned members they can get in, and then someone slapped the ask and it ran. ASTS. Cheers, bro. Yeah. SNDL, I think I just went over that, right? SMFL. I don't know. This one's not looking too great. It's up 9%, but I don't know. It's like in a no trade range for me personally. I would say you could just use this to make this simple like that. See this? Downtrend. If it breaks above that, maybe, but I would just wait for the range. If it breaks up 420, you literally have clean range all the way to 520. That's how I would look at it. Tagging as shit. Appreciate it, Rambo, bro. Thank you. Cool. Hope you get it work. Show some love. Hard work. Yeah, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I didn't even know it was a thing, to be honest. I had no idea. Yeah, yo. What's yeah, yo? Yeah, yo. Is Yayo a stock or are you just saying Yayo? Yayo. Wow, LSDI went all those levels. Check. It hit all those levels. One of our members posted the chart on this. It was absolutely insane. He did a perfect chart on this. But yeah, this thing is getting pumped, so just be careful. Remember, I literally called it with AMC and I said, what goes up must come down. And then what happened? It came straight down. But this thing is very bullish. Very bullish. All levels hit on that. That's insane. I don't know if anyone is trading around in that. Mercy. No problem. First, my 100k in FFE 9 cent was lit. Damn, that's nice. Oh, that is his Discord name. Oh, that's your Discord name. What an idiot. My bad. I get it. Cheers, bro. No, yeah, that's my name, yeah. That's jokes. Let me go through some Twitter. A lot of people are posting on Twitter. Give me a sec. Let me go through. Damn, Mr. All good, bro. Weezer is a very strange chart for me, guys. I don't know what this thing is. It's not very consistent in my opinion. Like, look, this is yesterday's price action, right? So this was, look, here. Okay, so here was yesterday's price action. We saw it ran up and then obviously, look, yeah, it made a double top here at 490 and just came all the way down after that. It doesn't really hold its gains. Larger time frame shows that even more. Look, straight up, then down, then straight up, down, like every day straight up and down. It doesn't, like, there's no strong momentum. Look, it tried to and then hit resistance, came down. Right now it's literally at resistance. You see this? So look, it tried to break above and then it came straight down. So I don't know with this one. I personally would avoid it at the moment. Try and give you some cleaner levels on this if I can. Like here, I guess. But Weiss is a weird one. I don't know if this is Chinese. Sounds Weiss sounds Chinese. I don't know. Currently bearish. Currently bearish. What else is there? Let me look at. Can you try FFIE? I'm gonna freak out. FNGR. Let me have a look at FNGR. Yeah, FNGR still bearish downtrend. And needs downtrend break. I don't know. These kind of charts are very strange. See the volume on this? I don't know if this has a high short float. Sounds like, I think it does. This might be a possible runner though. Just keep that on watch. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool, bro. I like it. Yo, members that are joining right now, I'm sending you guys a DM. Okay, check through that DM. And then just watch the video. Go through the start here and then go through that. And then you'll be able to go through everything. Today, just chill out and watch how things go. And then from there, tomorrow you can see how trading is up. Oh, perfect, Mike. Welcome, bro. What I suggest is, Mike, today just chill out. Live trading link will be sent out like 5 minutes before open. And then you can just see how we trade and how alerts work. Watch that intro video. It literally explains everything. Hasi goes over it. And then Friday is a short day. We only trade for an hour. But today, maybe just trade with small size and then see how things go tomorrow. And then you can start fresh on Monday. That's how I would suggest. But welcome, brother. Welcome, guys. Welcome. LILM. Wow, this is very bullish. Lilium NV. Very bullish chart. Wow. Here's resistance though. You see this? So you have more room. Yeah, I wouldn't even buy it now because you're heading to resistance here. But it's extremely bullish. Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice chart. Very nice chart. Very nice. Let me retweet this link. Someone just asked for it. Alright, cool. Sounds good. Love keeping it simple. Yeah, bro, no worries. Yeah, you'll see. I mean, myself and Hasi have each of us, we trade like similar stocks, but he plays more breakout plays, so his plays run like crazy most of the time. Mine are more like pullback. I play pullbacks, wait for it to settle, and then I look for entries. So we have like two different approaches, but we play similar stocks, like the top gainers, everything. I'm organizing. We have a bunch of seminar videos, but since it's in a Google Doc, it's a little bit all over the place because it's not labeled or it's not numbered. So like it's all over the place. So once I organize that, then it'll be better. So you can watch in order. This Roblox is good. I think Roblox has a high. Let me look what Finviz says about Roblox. Roblox has, oh no, 3% short float, not much. I know Finviz isn't updated though. TIVC, I don't know. TIVC is nothing. This thing's getting absolutely killed since it ran that other week. Nothing unless 0.6 break, I would say. I know it has no volume right now, but Rebin sets up. Yeah, Rebin was a former runner as well, Matt. So I think, I know. I actually like the stock. I had it in a, yeah, it broke out of this. I had a downtrend and it broke out of it. Yeah, it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. You know? So I would say now here's your resistance because you see this, look, rejection once, twice, and then 3 times. So close above 4, and that's a psychological level. So I would wait above $4. But yeah, it does have potential since it is a former run as well. Look, remember this crazy run up we had? So maybe $4 break and go in the Bahamas after that. So Rebin, wait for $4 break. Do you guys have any other general questions about my trading, or just in general about stocks or Twitter, the Discord, what's in there, whatever, so I can explain. Because this will be a good time. So ask any questions you want. There's no dumb questions. I'm gonna watch the intro video. Yeah, bro, watch it. It'll be clear because then you'll be able. All the answers would be answered then. If not, then just ask away. Just when you actually both do, not on all of them. Oh, anyway, any way to double confirm plays? Just double confirm Tiger and Hassie. Yeah, exactly. They'd have highly unlikely they're trading the same entry. Yeah, he plays different like styles to me, but if we both are in the play together, you know it's a very good setup. But I mean it's not that often. Maybe 1 or 2 times a week we get in the same place, similar price, like price range. But he plays a lot of stocks on $1 which have potential to run. Like FFI yesterday was insane. It's just difficult when you're giving alerts because you can get stopped out and then it'll run, but you just have to kind of nail the bottom. That's the only thing. Yeah, it was unused and shorted back down. Could pump. No worries, bro. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. FFI is moving. Nice. Right off demand zone. See, demand zone is where members buy, where people buy, and then after that they go up. Swing plan. Yeah, I am doing swings. I'm thinking of giving one today. I'm going to see. I'm going to see how the market opens and then I might give one. I'll see how it goes. Just one to test out the market. Because right now it's very difficult because all the volume and everything is on AMC and all these shorted floats. So it's going to be difficult people will just be selling and trying to get in those plays. So it might be difficult this week to get it. But I have 2 plays that I have on watch that I'm watching at the moment. They haven't really moved much, which is good. So I'm going to wait for the right time to give the actual play. So that's what I'm waiting for. Because right now it's difficult with this market. Well, with what's happened. I didn't expect it this week. I was supposed to give it this week. But with everything going on, it's difficult. FFI is looking great. But don't worry. I'll make sure I give you guys the swings when I can. FFI is looking great. WRNT. WRNT is running weird chart. I guess you can say it's trying to reverse off the support level here. You have a lot of wicks here, which is, I would even say 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 is a big level. You could use 0.5 maybe around there at the moment. Kraken and GWAV have crazy volume pre-market. Do you think these plays are falling wedge or reversing? Mo, which time frame you're looking at? Kraken maybe a possible falling wedge. No, I would say it's more of a channel down pattern, which is still bullish, but yeah. I personally think that these are all going to run today, but the thing is, no matter if I say if they're going to run or not, the thing is how low is it going to go before it runs? It can come all the way down here and then run. So it's all good and well saying that something's going to run, right? Which I do expect. These plays are up 58% pre-market, right? And a lot of people are trading this. Same as FFIE. I expect that one to run. So at the moment, yes, I expect these plays to run. How much low is it going to go? I don't know. But if it has a strong open, I definitely would probably try and grab some. That would be my approach. So this is a channel down pattern, which is bullish. Kraken is bullish setup. All right. Remember, guys, the posts that I put on Twitter, most of them, the ones that I post are bullish. But if people ask me, I will give my opinion, and most of them are bearish when people ask. But you'll see. But when I post a chart, the ticker, it's normally bullish. GWAV. Oh yeah, the other one's GWAV. GWAV, yeah, GWAV is possible falling wedge. Yeah, you could say it's a falling wedge. I just don't like these wicks, but I know it's just Weeble. Yeah, this looks good actually. Good eye on this. Yeah, it looks nice. GWAV. Yeah, this is expected to break out as long as it holds the demand zone on your phone. GWAV, rock bro, cheers bro. No worries, man. No rush. No rush. No rush. My problem is it's too late. It's too late. I missed it. Which one? Which one? Which one? What do you mean by strong open? So, a very simple way to explain to you what is a strong open, right? Just think about it very logically. It means when the stock is pretty much up at open. So the first 5 minutes, if you get a strong green candle like this, right? So let's say this is market open right here, okay? Let's say from here, we can see, look, right now, right, we can see it's clearly a strong open, right? Let's say here, like this, for example. Use this candle here. If you see something like this at open, right? If this is, let me just try and get this arrow. Just make it very simple for yourself. If the stock has closed like this at open, this full green candle like that, that clearly means what? It means that buyers are in control. Green means up, means buyers are in the stock and they're trying to push the price up. If you see a strong red candle like this, that means that sellers are in control and the stock is higher probability to go down. So if you see this at open, this candle, there is a higher probability that the stock is going to go up than down. Look, you can see when this had a strong close or strong open here, what happened? The stock went up, right? It's literally that simple. So if you see that at open, that is a good possibility to look to buy. Why do some runners crash at open? Another logical question. Why do you guys think? Okay, to explain it to you, people are taking profits. They are selling, and that's why the price is going down. They're taking profits from the stock. That is the reason why. Because most of the runners are up, what, 70-80%? People will be holding them overnight, weeks, whatever they've done. They're probably up 100% or 30-40%. They're going to want to take profits. People do it all at the same time. It'll push the price down. If people want to buy, it'll push the price up. Think about it with game AMC. Why did it go up? Because everyone was buying. When it went down, because everyone was selling. That's how it is. Just a very simple way of thinking about it. But for me, what I do is it's very simple. I have all these runners on my watch list. Maybe only out of these 25 will hold. Then what happens is with the 5, okay, then I'll just focus on my setups. I cannot get in every play. It's impossible to get in every trade. So that's why I focus on only the quality setups. Just also another logical thing. If all these stocks are up 20% and all of the other ones, right, let's say out of the 20, 15 of them go down, right? The other ones are still holding. What does that mean? Logically thinking, it means that buyers are still holding this price up, that there is a higher probability to go up. If it's selling off right at open, it means it's probably going to keep going down. That's what I'll do. That's how I look at it. CTNG is still bearish at the moment. I know it is up 22% though. For the clarity, basically wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, you can wait. I mean, for me, the reason why, guys, there's no best time frame. 1 minute, 1 second, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever time frame you use. The reason why I use 5 minutes is because I day trade. If I use a daily time frame to day trade, I'm going to be waiting a whole day to try and get a trade, right? That's why understanding time frames is important. Day traders use shorter time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, right? Nothing really higher than that. They use larger time frames like the 4 hour or daily to get a confluence with their level. So for instance, if the stock is in an uptrend, right, on the daily, weekly, and the 5 minute, right, is an indication that the price is more likely to go up. If they're more in sync, then that means that the price is more likely to go up. So I use the 5 minute. It gives me more than enough confirmation. I only trade on the 5 minute. Sometimes I use 1 minute, but for me to enter, I use 5 minute. It's not the best time frame in the world to use because some people type that. You can type in Google best daily time frame strategy, best 1 minute strategy, best 20 minute. It'll give you any time frame. So there's no best time frame. Time frame always 30. No, I don't use 30 minute. I just use, look, the reason why I'm using 30 minute is just to indicate what, because look, 5 minute, for me, it's difficult to identify. Look, it's in a downtrend. So I go to a larger time frame to be like, okay, what is actually going on with the stock? If we're looking at the CNTG from a 4 hour perspective, what can you see? I can see that right now it's in a downtrend, right? That's what I would say. Then you go to a smaller time frame to indicate what's going on inside of that. As you can see, it's still in a downtrend. Maybe on the 5 minute, is it bullish? No, it's still in a downtrend. If you can identify 4 hours bearish and then 2 hours bearish and then 30 minutes bearish, but on the 5 minute it's starting to reverse, that means it looks like it's possibly going to push up, right? SR pulling back now. Let me look at this. ASTS came down. Who dumped it? LSDI, yeah, this is the strongest setup right now. Hollow's looking good. AGBA is alright. BCAN, FFIE, these are all very strong plays. All these orange ones are nice. Peggy, CYN's gone. Did anyone take this thing? Wowza. How many people took this thing? Wow, congrats if you took this. I did not even take it. Someone in the Discord mentioned it. Whoa. I think Hassie's in this. I'm not too sure. Right, guys, I need to go into the Discord. Time frame was CYN had grind. Agree. When open time comes, how can I set a time frame to look for the bullish candle? What do you mean? How can I set a time frame? You just choose the time frame. 1 minute here, 5 minute, 10, 15, 30, 1 hour. You just select it. I just stay on the 5 minute. That's the one you should focus on. If you're day trading, just focus on the 5 minute. That's all. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute is not enough confirmation, especially if you're trying to learn. You're going to be all over the place because it won't work for you very well, because if you don't understand technicals, it's going to be extremely difficult. SLNA. Okay, guys, I'm going to go over these last tops and then I'm going to what's on watch list. SLNA still bearish. Nothing. Yes, it's trying to reverse. It's trying to reverse here off this demand zone. So as long as it holds this demand zone, you're fine. Here's a 30-minute demand zone. So it's trying to reverse. SPCE. SPC, I don't know if this is a meme. I think it is, you know. I don't know. For me, it's difficult. It has clean range to here, though. All the way to 120. It's not that big of a move, but yeah, you have some room to the upside here. It looks alright. It looks good. Right now, it's trying to push up. Sin was on watch list. Oh, okay, makes sense. Alright, guys. I'm going to head into Discord. Live trading link will be sent out members in 20 minutes. So I'll see you then. Here's the link if you want to join. Thanks again, guys, for all the support on Twitter. It's going great. I hope you guys are making some money. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.